Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So it's the night before going back to school after winter break and I wanted to vlog. Starting the new year off on a good foot. I no longer want to go to every class, like a few is okay, but not every class with my hair in a bun anymore. So my new game plan is to shower the night before, which works out because I work out at night and so I can shower afterwards like I just did. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I'm gonna straighten it and try not to mess it up in my sleep. I usually do, but I will try not to. I don't know how I'm gonna control that, but I will. I have an 8 a.m. class for the first time in so long. I never signed up for 8 a.m. classes, didn't have a choice, so this literally feels like a day of high school all over again because I have classes from 8 until 3. It is 10:30 at night right now. Turn on the essentials. Really creates a vibe. Love that shit, okay. And now we have a vibe. Okay, so this is the show that I'm watching. It's called Good Girls, and oh shoot, I already pressed play. Okay, I'm definitely already like 4 or 5 episodes and I've been literally watching it all day while I do chores. And now I'm just shopping online for a new tote bag to bring to class because I need something that's big enough to fit my laptop. My struggle is I can't buy things made with leather, and if I can't find a 15-inch tote bag, I'm literally just going to buy a new laptop that's smaller and can fit into bags because I'm so fed up carrying this thing downtown. I don't feel safe while doing it either, so. I'm packing myself for lunch in this like soup canister thing. I got this off Amazon. It has like a little spoon in here, which I thought was adorable. So I'm gonna put this in here. Oh wait, it's gonna be cold. I need to heat this up first. Okay, so this is my little food to go corner. I have my tea, which is still really hot. Giant 32-ounce water bottle. The soup. This is a cookie for a snack. This is oatmeal for breakfast since it's incredibly early and I can't eat right now. And these are mashed potatoes that are amazing that I made myself. And then like another spoon back here for everything. I don't know what to tell you, man. This ain't it. Well, this is a familiar shot. I'm gonna wear my sweatshirt to class today. It's still available if you want one. They're really cute, comfy AF, good to wear to the gym. That's usually what I wear mine for. So I'm probably gonna transition it into a gym outfit later. I can think of like 5 million other things I'd rather do today than this. Guess we do not have a choice. I need to go buy more milk products because I'm obsessed. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god, this is not. I don't even know the names of my classes today. I don't even know the names of my professors today. The good thing about this milk product is that you do not need a beauty blender. You can literally just rub it in with your hand. I did get one shade too light though. I need to go get, I think the shade that I need is called Sand. This is only week 1 of 10. Holy shit, I can't do this. Okay, so I probably should have woken up sooner. I knew that last night, but I'm about to leave right now. It usually takes like 30 minutes to get there, and then I have to park and then like find out how far away I am from class and run there. So we're gonna make it on time, but there's probably a lot of traffic right now, so fuck me, I'm so stupid. Quick update, I'm sitting outside in between class and I have like 30 minutes to kill, so I was like catching up on emails and stuff. The first class was like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop stuff, and it seems pretty useful for social media. We've already had classes on those 2 programs, but I guess this is gonna be like the final and like last class that we'll ever have on it, so it's supposed to be like more advanced. And then the next class, I don't remember what it's called, but it's in like a completely different building, so I have to like go over there next. And that's it. I'm gonna go there now actually so I can get there early and eat my lunch because I'm really hungry, and I had to I didn't even eat my breakfast. I ate that like cookie thing because we didn't get a break, and usually we get a break in class and we can go use the bathroom and like eat and like catch up on whatever. We never got a break, so I never got to eat, which was a bad thing. And then I also never got to go to the bathroom. So this is FIDM and like the outdoor campus, and fun fact, this is the building that I used to live in. It was on the other side though, so I'd face the street and not the park. But we moved out of that building and I moved to Hollywood, which is a 30-minute drive away, but it's like more fun out there. I don't know, there's like more stuff to do out there. And I was really sick of downtown. There's like genuinely nothing to do here. So I'm gonna walk over to class right now. It's 11:41 and go get a seat. What a day. So I'm gonna drive home. I love that my class gets out this early though, like it's 2:45. Last quarter, all of my classes would get out like at 6 p.m. and that's when rush hour is so bad. So now it won't be that bad. It's still LA, so it's always gonna be kind of bad, but very excited to go home, take off my makeup, rest for a second, and then hopefully go to the gym tonight. My makeup looks really bad. I did not do a good job at my makeup today. Okay guys, so I just got home and I'm literally so excited right now. So a little while ago, this brand on Instagram called My Mom Made It showed up in like my explore page and I like was instantly obsessed with them, and so I started following them and like liking all their pictures. And then one day I commented on one of the photos and I was like, oh my god, I love this. And I actually got a response from like the business owner, because it's run by this girl and she's like such a boss and she designs everything herself. So it's not just like fast fashion, because I feel like a lot of startup brands these days just use fast fashion, but she actually like designs everything herself. And if you follow her, she'll like put on her stories all the time, like her designs and like sketching, and it's just so cool to watch her make the products and then watch her sell the products. And she's so successful. So many big celebrities wear her stuff. Kylie Jenner wears her stuff a lot too. So yeah, so like a little while ago, I commented on one of her posts and she noticed me and she was like, oh my god, like I know who you are, like I watch one of your vlogs. I was shook AF. I'm like such a big fan of her, so it was just so weird, and like the timing was so weird because like I just posted a video that she just so happened to see. Also one time she said that she's like really picky with who she chooses to like send PR to, and so the fact that like I got sent something from her is like the coolest thing ever. I'm gonna give you a little try on haul of everything right now after I open it from the bag, and I'm so excited. So the first thing is this really thick top. It's kind of got like a mock neck. The quality is so good. Like the fabric is really thick. It says vibes attract vibes, and then under it says the brand name My Mom Made It. This is like that kind of fabric that is reflective, which it's got a raw hemline, so we'll see when I try it on like where it lands on my body. So these just look like really comfy, like fun sweatpants. They also have a reflective little patch right here that says the brand name. I love the quality of these. They have like a really like sports feel to them. This is something I was really excited about because we know I live in black hoodies. Like I'm wearing one right now, but this is a black zip up hoodie by her. And look at the little detailing. Like even the zipper has a little My Mom Made It signature tag on it. Oh my god, the fabric is so nice. Like I'm gonna wear this to class literally every day. Then she also sent me this turtleneck, which is made of like a really cool material. It also has her signature brand name on the tag. I feel like my friend Paige, who has like a really New York style, would die for this. And then lastly, she gave me these shorts. She has like a lot of booty short type things. I'm a little thick right now, so I might not fit into these yet, but once I do, we'll get some good grams in them. But these are so cute. They're kind of like boxing shorts. I can definitely wear these to bed. Those would be really cute and comfy to wear to bed. You guys definitely need to go check her out. She also releases new products all the time. She has things like bags, wallets, jewelry, phone cases, jackets. Kylie Jenner just wore one of her jackets on like a private jet. Shout out to My Mom Made It. Thank you so much for sending me this stuff. I'm so excited. Also, can we note how the entire pile is black? So I'm probably just going to literally lay in bed and like not take a nap, but like just watch YouTube videos and relax for a little bit. And then when I get the energy, get up and figure out the rest of my day. It's only 3 o'clock. My eyes are just really dry because they're not used to waking up that early. And one of my goals for this semester was to start waking up earlier even on days I don't have class. That way I can just be more productive throughout the day. And I stopped going to bed at 2 a.m. because I do that all the time, because typically I'm doing projects until 2 a.m. and that's why. But that was because last quarter I had 3 online classes, and so I'd be sitting on my laptop all day long for like 5 days a week, just on my laptop, just doing work and not able to leave. And it was excruciating, and I don't have that situation this quarter. I have 1 class online and 4 in person. I have 1 more class tomorrow and it's at 3:30 until 6. That's so random. And then I also have a Saturday class from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. But that doesn't start until week 5. Anyways, you guys, I'm so tired. I need water. Oh my god, that's right, I've only had 1 liter today. That's why I'm so dehydrated, my eyes are so dry. Hey guys, so I'm really tired right now, but I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes because I'm all out. I've been meal prepping like a giant bowl of mashed potatoes. Like, it lasts about 3 days, and it's the best thing I've ever done for myself. If you're looking for some sort of like self-care thing to do in 2019, you gotta make mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you how I make my potatoes. These are gold potatoes. So there's only 3 in here, and I made 3 last time, and it made such a big bowl. I have Bohemian Rhapsody stuck in my head right now, and it's kind of weird. I always peel my potatoes just like right over the trash. So I originally was making mashed potatoes as like a part of like my dinner, but then I ended up just like using it as a snack throughout the day because it's like a carb, so it gives you energy. All right, so now I'm gonna cut these up into cubes, and then I'm gonna put them in the pot for like 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what I do afterwards. So in the meantime, I just made decaf green tea. So I've officially become a boring adult. If you add 1 pack of stevia, it's actually really, really good. I feel kind of lonely. I've been home alone all week. My roommate is still at home for her winter break. And I saw Kiana once, and I told Kiana, like, don't let me get lonely, but obviously it's not her responsibility, and she works, and I have class, and I've been working. This is my mood. I feel like such an old lady. I'm drinking green tea, and I'm making mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna go put a TV show on and like respond to work emails. I'm literally making mashed potatoes and drinking green tea. That's the saddest thing I've ever heard. So I learned that the way that you tell that the potatoes are done is if you put a fork in them and it doesn't come up with the fork. Like, they should be soft enough that the fork goes right through them. This bowl is not big enough, and this is gonna take me forever to do. So I just literally add like a splash of almond milk. So I'll do like literally 2 capfuls maybe. Okay, so now I add like 1-ish tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is really flavorful, like you don't need to add a lot. So lastly, we just add a ton of salt and pepper. Okay, so here's my final product, my mashed potatoes. So if you have like saran wrap or like a better container than this, just cover it up and put it in the fridge, and when you want to eat it, I just pull the bowl out and kind of just like eat it with a fork. If I'm actually eating like a big portion, I'll put it in the microwave with like a little bit of the almond milk. I feel like cooking vlogs teach you how to make things taste good, so they have like a million steps, a million ingredients, because they don't want to let you down. But I teach you how to be like a reasonable, like not gonna put in a lot of effort type thing, you know? This is definitely my new hobby. I don't even think I'm joking. All right, so it's time to head to the gym. I'm just gonna go to my gym downstairs. I do have a membership to like a gym that I've been paying for monthly for like a year and have been to like a few times a month. I keep it because when I'm ready to go back to strength training the way that I used to, I will go. For winter break, I was going consistently to my gym membership for like 2 weeks, and it was really nice. But I want to ease back into things. And hold on, quick talk. Something that I learned while restarting my fitness journey, and it's been a few trial and errors of trying to get things to a comfortable place again. Something that I learned is that you can't hold yourself to the standard that you had in the past. It's just really demotivating, and I feel like when I go to the gym, I have this expectation of what I'm capable of doing. Because my body isn't the same as before, I'm not reaching that same level, and it's making it unmotivating for me to go. So I've changed my perspective so that my motivation comes from being proud of myself, from making it there, and that's what I'm focusing on right now. It basically all exists within your willpower, and that is what is important. 2 things about fitness that motivated me the best. When I first ever started my fitness journey, the first one was someone posted on their story and they were like, I'm so happy I decided to fall in love with fitness. And it was that change in perspective that I really needed at the time, of realizing that you can actually like fitness and you can actually like fall in love with it and have it as an outlet rather than just viewing it as something that you hate doing. You can actually incorporate it into your life and be satisfied with it and not view it in a negative way. And the second thing was literally from Jake Paul, and it was like, fitness is the first step to greatness. And that spoke to me because it's really true. If you are capable of having a fitness routine and having willpower to go to the gym and improve yourself every day, it's basically just showing that you have willpower as a part of your personality trait, and that's going to take you far in life in anything that you try and do. And you're not like born with willpower, like you find it for yourself. So that takes me back to the first thing, like loving fitness and like being motivated by just simply being proud of myself for going. It's not currently like my favorite part of the day like it used to be, and I want to find that again. But if I keep thinking about the past and thinking about how I used to act and behave, it's never going to get me anywhere in the future or help me in any way. So yeah, that is my little for the night. I'm gonna go work out.